Here in CSD, we are training future professionals in the speech-language pathology field more narrowly for our graduate students, but then also more broadly in communication sciences and disorders for students who are interested in other related careers. So our programs in the department include 2 graduate programs. One is fully online, one is in person here on campus. Both of those programs train speech-language pathologists to work out in the field, either in educational or healthcare settings. Then at the undergraduate level, we have our on-campus program, a new online program that we are launching, and also a post-baccalaureate program.
We have a strong track record of high academic function, of high research function, as well as community practice. The faculty and the instructors and the staff are all well established in the community, both in the community at large as well as in our community of speech-language pathology.
Being a school-based speech-language pathologist, I have the opportunity to do the day-to-day working on our speech sounds, all the things within our typical scope, helping kids with their device, working on their language.
In the coursework, as students go through the program, we've really worked hard to develop hands-on kinds of activities that students can still do at home and connect with us remotely to get some of that experience. But then at the very end of the program, students will have the option to do a speech-language pathology assistant internship, which is a clinical practicum experience out in the community.
We've been able to work with students that are working in their master's program, and this is just another door where we get to support that profession and those people that are wanting to join the profession maybe in another way.
The connections I've made, like with my peers and some of the professors, has been really rewarding. And I know that, well, I'm going to be staying in the Eau Claire area, so I know that I always have those connections that I've built.
The field of speech pathology is kind of in a shortage period right now. We've got lots of need across the state and across the country for speech pathologists, and we just cannot turn out graduate students fast enough. What we're seeing in other states, and Wisconsin is starting to catch up a little bit, they've supplemented with speech-language pathology assistants. So they function in a similar way to assistants in other fields like physical therapy or occupational therapy. They assist the therapist with all kinds of activities, but then they also can provide some direct therapy services as well.
Especially with this program, the SLPA program, I feel like I can have a leg up on other individuals. I just feel very prepared. And
Sheep.
We have a lot of research that happens at the undergraduate and graduate level. Our faculty are involved in research, certainly.
So some of them look at teaching and learning, some of them look at things specifically within the field. So students who have interest could absolutely get involved. Even if they're an online student, we have found ways to make that work in the past. Our employment rate for those who want to get employed right away, some students opt to take a little time off before they start working, but it's 100%.
There's needs in school districts, there's needs in early childhood programs, there's needs in healthcare and skilled nursing facility and even hospice and palliative care.
Speech-language pathology is such a rewarding career, getting a chance to blend the art and the science and really work with people and change lives. UW-Eau Claire is a really unique place in training our students to be ready to do those things and to do them at a very high level.